What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another drinks video. And today's shot cocktail tutorial I'm going to show you guys is how to make a Springbokkie shot. Because the Springbokkie shot is the South African shot. With South Africa, its national animal is the Springbok, of course. And if you follow the rugby, the nickname the Springboks. So this is where the shot originates from, with the colours. So with the green and white. So to make a Springbokkie shot, guys, fill up your shot glass halfway. And now layer on top the Amarulas, because I must stress it must be the Amarula. It is a spirit from South Africa, this. Because I don't use Bailey's Irish Cream or Irish Cream, use Amarula. And there it is, one Springbokkie shot. And as simple as that, that's how you make a Springbokkie shot. Cheers. So that's what you expect, because it has that peppermint aftertaste after you down it. You can taste it, but especially with the Amarula like cream, because it tastes a lot like Bailey's, but it's not, because they're with the Marula fruit. Because that's what I can taste. But the overpowering one is peppermint, because then that is how you make Springbokkie shot, really. It's simple as that. It's nice and fun, and if you are South African, you'll love this, as it is your, well, it is. It's a nice celebration, especially when South Africa are playing in the rugby. Because if you ever want to get the party started, start with a Springbokkie shot. But I've been MixedSid. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys for my next drinks or cocktail video. Have a nice day. Cheers.